Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Everyone facing the problem on YouTube Studio using Chrome browser. While you type studio.youtube.com on Chrome, and after that you see like that verify it's you. It's very annoying. I also have faced the same problem. So today I will show you how to fix this problem. If you facing the same problem, then you need to click three dot here, then click new incognito tab, and here you can easily open your YouTube Studio without any problem. And for me, now my problem is now solved. I also have contact a YouTube team, and they can easily fix this problem. If you still facing the problem, you can use incognito mode to use your YouTube account without any problem. And this problem will be temporary problem, and hope this will fix soon to everyone. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.